Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you my hair wash routine. Basically what I do on normal days when I'm washing my hair. Let me just open my hair. Struggles. Okay, so before I start combing my hair, I'll apply a little bit of coconut oil on my hair. This. I'll put some oil on my dry ends as well. Now I'll take a wide tooth comb and I'll start combing my hair from the ends. Got tangled in my hair. So I've combed my hair and now I'll do a really loose braid. And I'll just let it be for around half an hour or maybe an hour if you want, but not more than that. It's been half an hour now and now I'll go and wash my hair. So let's go. So guys, this is how my hair looks after drying out.